All right, so the measure of angle LDM, so that's this angle right here, the 141. Okay, and the measure of angle MDN is this one. So I want to compare those two. So first we need to make sure that they have two sides that are the same. So we see that they both have a 12. And then the MD. So they have the two sides that are the same, so we can then compare them. So which angle has to be greater? Yeah, LDM, the 141, because the 18 is bigger than the 16. So we'd say, okay. Oh, let's use pink. So we'd say the measure of angle LDM, yeah, greater than the measure of angle MDN. Okay? So now what equation can I make from that to find my range of values containing A? Yeah, 141 is greater than 9A plus 15. Okay, subtract 15. One what?
One something.
120. 120.
Q126 is greater than 9A. That's a much better answer than 121. Divide by 9. I
don't have enough fingers for that.
9 goes into 12 how many times? Once. How many do you have left over? 3. So you have 36. 9 goes into 36. So it's 14. Oh, man. So 14 is greater than A. Is that our only solution here? Okay, so what else do we have to do with the 9A plus 15? We already know it's less than 141, so what number do we need to make sure it's greater than? 0. So then we will also say 9A plus 15 should be greater than 0. So 9A is greater than negative 15. Divide by 9, so A is greater than negative 1 and what?
5. You can't do that.
6
9, which simplifies down to
3.
2/3. Oh, my Lanta. So what's the range of values that how am I going to write this as a range of values?
Well, it has to be greater than.
So we're going to start with the smaller one. So we'll say negative 1 and 2/3. Yes. Is less than A is less than 14. What do you mean? This? 9 fit into 15 one time. We had 6 left over, so 6/9. Then I reduced it, correct. We do need to make sure we write it as a compound inequality. So when we take a look at this, we see that A is greater than negative 1 and 2/3, or negative 1 and 2/3 is less than A. Here, A is less than 14, so then we add the less than 14, or A should always be smack dab in the middle of those with less than signs. Is that one okay?
I think so.
All right, let's look at another one. Right? Write an inequality related the given pair of angles or segment measures AB to CD. All right, so write an inequality. So now we want to write the inequality for our sides. So we still need to make sure two sides are the same. So we have 15 and 15.
And we have the 20 and the 50.
Those are angles. Where's our other side? B, D. Okay, so we have the two sides. So now you're right, we have the 50 in angle and 20 for angles. So what does that tell me about my side AB and my side CD? If this one is 50 and that one is 20, which one has, yeah, the 50 degrees is bigger, which means, yeah, CD is greater than AB. And that's all for this one because we don't have any measurements. Is that okay?
So if you don't have measurements, you have to do all the math.
No, you're only going to do the related math if it tells you to find the range of values for something. Okay? We got a last example here. Write an inequality to describe x. So we need to make sure we have some sides that are the same. So do we?
Yeah, this right, left side in the middle.
Yeah, they're all the same. So we have those two, and then they also have this one in common. We'd probably take a look at that one, though, not at that one over there.
X plus 5 is bigger than 3x minus 7 because angles are bigger.
Very good. So when we look at this, 60 degrees is greater than 45. So that tells us x plus 5 must be greater than 3x minus 7. Okay, so now I want to solve this for x. So how are we going to do that?
Plus 7 minus x.
Okay, so plus 7 minus x. So what do we have? Yep, 12 is greater than 2x. Good, so 6 is greater than x. Now we need to think carefully. Are there any restrictions on side numbers for triangles? Not really, right? Could I have a negative side length though?
No.
No. So we do need to make sure that our range of values for x do not dip into the negatives. So first off, which of these two sides is already the side that's less than? Yeah, the 3x minus 7, this one's already qualified as the less than sign.
You were using
I know. So we need to make sure that this one ends up being greater than 0, so we don't have a negative value. So our second equation will be 3x minus 7 is greater than 0.
Could you just do the other one?
No, we can't do the other one because this one is greater than the smaller side.
So you always use the smaller side?
Yep, you're always going to use the smaller, just like we were always using the smaller angle. Okay?
Okay, plus 7.
So plus 7. So 3x is greater than 7.
Divide by 3.
So divide by 3.
2 and 1/3.
There we go. That's the quicker mathematics I like to hear. So what's going to be my range of values?
2 and 1/3 is less than 6.
Very good. 2 and 1/3 is less than x, which is less than 6. So page 271, 10 through 19, 34 through 38. Once again, then tomorrow we'll have a review worksheet of 5.3 to 5.5. Thursday you'll take the quiz, and then Friday you'll have a review assignment, and Monday you'll have a separate review assignment, and your test will be Tuesday.
Yes.